What is going on, guys? This is Mando with M Traders, and we're going to be talking about natural gas today, like we always do, right? And something I want to point out is that we did broke that bull flag, played out almost perfectly on the 5-minute. Let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute better. We see breaking and going all the way up, which that's what we want to see. We wanted to see a break above 2.40. 2.40 acted as a good resistance. We see it on these levels right over here, right? I'm going to be drawing my support resistance with zones, because a zone is a little bit more accurate because you have more space. Not everything bounces exactly from one specific number, but more like an area where buyers come in and all that stuff. So when he went up today, I got very happy, and then he sold off. Why? Because 2.42 is also a very strong resistance. It did broke down, but also something that I wanted to see, if you guys pay attention on this area about 2.39, which acted at, or 2.40, which acted as a support, it actually now acted as a resistance. It's now acting as a support level, right? So we did bounce about 2.40, around that 2.396. We bounced on this area. Now we are continuing going upwards, which that's what we want. We want to see more buyers coming in. We did have it in our on the Sunday's weather models. We did saw an increase of CDDs, cooling day degrees. Wicks numbers 1, 2, 3 are slightly on the bear side, which wicks 1 and 2 are more in the bear side than week number 3. In week number 3, we are about 0.036 below the 5-year average. Weeks 1 and 2 is 4% and above the 5-year average. Weeks number 4 is the heaviest one. That one is actually more bullish than any of the 6 weeks. It's going to be at about 4.4% above the 5-year average. Yeah, we're going to be, below. So 4.4% below the 5-year average, which that actually is a bullish catalyst. Anything on the positive side is bearish, because we're looking at the total balance on natural gas. So the total on that balance will be negative 4.4 for week number 4. On week number 5, we're going to be at negative 3.2, and week number 6, we're going to be at negative 0.9% total balance versus the 5-year average. So that's something I look at, because it kind of tells you, what my retail or institutional investors might do, depending on where we are on the 5-year average. Also, the 2.32, 2.39, that has been the lowest price on this current season in the last 10 years. So that's also something to keep in mind when we're reaching these levels. This might be a good entry. Specifically, also, like we were talking about it back in December, when we were about $4.9 for gas, natural gas. I did not care. I was just buying gas at those levels, and I wish I had a lot more capital back then, but I didn't. So now I know whenever natural gas reaches those levels, that's something I'm going to be paying attention again. So we will see how everything reacts. Now, when it comes to the technical analysis on my part, again, double bottom at 2.30 levels, right? I see a resistance at 2.4. It rejected out of 2.42. Now 2.40 became the support, which is what I wanted to see. I want to see continuation to try to break 2.42. In the event that it reaches again to the 2.30 area, 2.32 area, I will buy again more UGAZ. That's my plan. That's my ideas. That's what I'm going to do. You do not follow me. You make your own decisions, okay? You want to make sure it's clear. That's pretty much all I got. Just wanted to talk about natural gas. Fundamental consumption wise, Sunday's 12Z weather results were slightly bullish versus Friday's 12Z results. Again, 12Z, 0Z, 06Z, that only means the hour in military time. Okay, so 12Z means 1200 hours. So if you got 0Z is 0600 hours, which is 6 a.m. in the morning. Okay, projected TDDs are 8.8 below last year levels. So the total day degrees, that includes cooling day degrees and heating day degrees, are 8.8% below last year level, but 5.3% above the norm. So 8.8 below last year level means that it's bearish, right? So we want to be, total day degrees has to be above last year level, kind of to be bullish. However, we are 5.3% still above the norm, which is, I believe, the 30-year norm, if I'm not mistaken. Production is estimated at 90.4 billion cubic feet per day, down 1.1% from the recent all-time high. In the short term, our storage level will remain largely unchanged. End of season indices are up due to various changes in the latest long-term CSFB2. Again, that's just a code name for weather models, right? However, the CFSV2 model is almost always revised on Monday. Therefore, the latest changes need to be taken with a grain of salt. So we still gotta wait till tomorrow, right? We do see a resistance at 2.41. Double bottom technical pattern calls for a retest of 2.45 and to 2.46. So hopefully it does retest, and then I'm gonna sell everything on my UGAZ. That's all I got, guys. I try to keep it short. If you like this video, again, just subscribe. YouTube really helps me out a lot. And if not, come to our Discord chat. Our Discord chat is free. You do not have to pay $300 like any other chats that I know, and you get all the help from a lot of professionals for free. Why? Because my job here is to just try to grow my account as much as I can, and share my ideas in the process. So again, if you guys like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully I can make a video tomorrow as well. So you guys take care, and bye bye.